Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we are talk about the structure of pollen grain and the structure of microsporangium, that is pollen sac. This is the pollen sac. Four-lobed structure. Outer layer is a epidermis, endodermis, and the parenchymatous tissues. And this outer layer is known as tapetum, which is responsible for provide nutrition. And these cells are microspore mother cell. So today I am going to start a topic, formation of microspore. Formation of microspores. Okay, you have little idea about the microspores. Pollen grain stay in anther, and there are large number of pollen grain present in anther. Okay, so this one cell is known as microspore mother cell. Okay, and when we talk about the microspore mother cell, this microspore mother cell present in diploid condition. Okay, and now we are going for meiotic division. In first chapter I am already brief about the mitotic and meiotic division. If mitotic division takes place in equational division, and if meiotic division, or also known as meiosis, if meiosis takes place, then reductional division takes place. So in four diploid cells give rise to one diploid cell give rise to four haploid cells. Okay, and these all spores called microspores. Okay, and every spores is present in tetrad form. Tetrad form means one cell, second cell, third cell, and behind this cell fourth cell. Okay, this kind of structure is known as tetrad form. Okay, I will brief you a single microspore. What is the structure of microspore, or also known as pollen grain? The structure of pollen grain, this kind of a structure, center nucleus with cytoplasm. This outer layer of the pollen grain is known as exine, and exine is a hard layer which is dissolved with enzyme, and this is the inner softer layer, that is entine. Okay, and here large amount of cytoplasm present, and this is nucleus. Okay, and this is the structure of pollen grains, or also known as microspore mother cell. I hope you got it. Okay, how this pollen grains develop, this kind of structure is developed. Okay, so this single pollen grain, suppose this is the single pollen grain, it have two kind of cells. Okay, one cell is known as vegetative cell, and lower cell is known as generative cell. This is very important point, student, because this generative cell and vegetative cell and generative cell is further change in tube nucleus and male gamete. So here the question arises, which cell is responsible for formation of male gamete? So I will tell you, this cell is two-celled pollen grain. This structure is two-celled pollen grain. Okay, and now further this structure develop to form one tube nucleus and two male gamete, So remember of all of you, this tube nucleus is arise from vegetative cell and this male gamete arises from generative cell, and after that this structure in the stage of pollination, this stage is known as three-celled stage, three-celled pollen grains. Okay, and after that this look like this kind of structure. Okay, and this structure in the process of pollination, what is pollination? So listen student, the transfer of anther from the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is known as pollination. So suppose this is the pollen grain and this is the stigma, style and ovary. Okay, so this structure transfer from anther to stigma stick here like this, and in the process of pollination it start to develop pollen tube. Okay, and in pollen tube have one nucleus and here two male gametes. So I will brief you. This kind of structure look like this. This is very important structure, germinating pollen tube. This is exine, entine, cytoplasm having male gamete and tube nucleus. Okay, so this tube nucleus, so here a tube nucleus and here a two male gamete, and this is the tube nucleus and this is the exine wall. Okay, here the cyto, not nucleus, only the cytoplasm. Okay, this is the cytoplasm. So this structure is known as germinating pollen grain. ये आपके प्रैक्टिकल में भी आपको शो करना है प्रैक्टिकल में कि जर्मिनेटिंग पॉलन ट्यूब का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द टॉपिक फॉर्मेशन ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोर. ओके, single microspore mother cell go for meiotic division and form 4 tetrad cell. One tetrad cell go for 2 cell convert into 2 cell pollen grain, after that 3 cell pollen grain, and this look like this kind of structure, that is the pollen grain. Outer exine entine wall having nucleus, and after that this germinating pollen grain, structure of germinating pollen grain. Okay, why here two male gamete? You already know about in first year classes. One male gamete go to fuse with the single egg to form zygote, and second male gamete go to fuse with the zygote, means endosperm to n nucleus to n nucleus and form 3n triple fusion, that is also called double fertilization. Okay, hope you got it all the point. Thank you.